Hi, if you are facing any problem with the Microsoft Teams, like it's not loading, it's hanging, or any other issues, so there is one solution for all the problems, and I'm gonna show you in next few minutes. So just you open run, then type task skill, then space and forward slash f forward slash im, then teams.exe. So it will get all the processes which are running in background for Teams. Now you have to type percent app data percent and open it. Then go to roaming folder and there Microsoft. Then next Teams folder. So here all the Teams information and profile related settings all are there in these folders and files. You just select all and delete them. That's it. So now you can check by launching the Microsoft team. It will create a new profile and new settings. If this issue doesn't get your problem resolved, then you can try the another method by opening program and features. You can type this command fpage.cpl, or you can go through control panel, then program and features. Here you will see Microsoft Team application. Just right click on it and uninstall it. So it will take some time. You just wait and watch. It's done. Now the program is uninstalled, so now you have to install it again. So for that you can download the setup from Google. So just open the Google site and search for MS Teams. Click on the first Microsoft site, download Microsoft Team. Just click this link and then click on desktop for download for desktop. And then there are two options, one for small business home and Teams for work and school. So you can install as per your choice and requirement. So I'm gonna install it for like Teams for home. Just click it and open this exe file. So it's downloading is now started. Just wait for a few minutes. It will first download, then it will install it. So now it's installing Microsoft Team. Just wait and watch. Done. The installation is done. So here you have to enter your email ID to sign in with the Microsoft Teams. So now it's loading Microsoft Team, all the settings and profiles. So it will create a new profile on it with the new settings. Done. So you can resolve all the problems by doing this method. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it.